Loadify is a free add-on for Blender that lets you add different levels of detail to objects. These different LODs can then be configured to be visible in specific preview modes. This way your scene can be optimized, which is great when using particles in environments. Download the zip file and unpack it. Then install the Loadify Python file in Preferences. Create lower levels of detail for your objects by using the Decimate modifier, for example, or just model a lower res version of the objects. Then check the level of detail checkbox and select the appropriate object with the picker. After that, you can set which preview level each should be visible at. You can delete the other levels of detail objects as they are now all stored in one object. Now, when you switch between preview modes in the viewport, the appropriate level of detail for those objects should appear. I did notice that I sometimes have to select an object before the switch happens.